The Audi e-tron has been setting standards in the electric SUV luxury class category since 2018. Its sales successes have made the e-tron brand famous the world over. In the spring of 2023, the new Audi Q8 e-tron will continue the success story of the electric pioneer under a new name as the top model of Audi's electric SUVs and crossover models. Highlights include optimized drive concept, improved aerodynamics, and higher charging performance and battery capacity, which increase the range to up to 600 kilometers, according to the WLTP. Significant updates, especially in the front of the vehicle, lend the new SUV flagship a fresher appearance. Audi offers the new Q8 e-tron in two body variants, as a classic SUV and as a sportback that combines the spaciousness of an SUV with the elegant lines of a large coupe. Standing 4,915 mm in length, 1,935 mm wide, and 1,633 mm, SUV, or 1,619 mm, sportback high, the Q8 e-tron offers maximum space and comfort. The SQ8 e-tron and SQ8 Sportback e-tron models are both 2 mm flatter and 39 mm wider. The 2,928 mm wheelbase means that even rear seat occupants have plenty of legroom. The total luggage compartment volume is also generous, with around 630 liters, including frunk, in the SUV and around 590 liters in the Sportback. With dimensions like these, the Audi Q8 e-tron offers ample space for 5 passengers and their luggage, making it the perfect car for long-distance drives. 3 drive variants are available for each of the two body styles, all with electric all-wheel drive. The output range extends from 250 kilowatts in the Q850 e-tron and 300 kilowatts in the Q855 e-tron to 370 kilowatts in the SQ8 e-tron, which is powered by 3 electric motors. The model's ranges lie between 491 and 600 kilometers,